Hey, hello! Good morning, good day, good night to Star Wars fans all over the world. Let's watch TVC review only in Beno Arsanto's channel. Bro, today I would like to show you the newest release of Star Wars TVC, the vintage collection. And now here they comes Shoretrooper, the 4-pack Stormtrooper that work under tropical circumstances. Before we are getting the Shoretrooper, we already got the Rebel Trooper and also Stormtrooper 4-pack as well. But today, the newest release of TVC Shoretrooper will come into my review. Shoretrooper is surely interesting figure because the Shoretrooper character itself just introduced in Star Wars Rogue One, and then it comes into Star Wars Solo, and they came in Mandalorian as well. So basically, Shoretrooper not just exists for a while, they are long-lasting. They are officially one of the trooper that works under the Empire, and so that's why I'm getting this figure instead of the Dark Trooper, because the Dark Trooper we already got them from so many collection such as Star Wars DVZ and the TVZ, the diorama of the Cantina, like my previous review. And now let's start our review. The box is coming in black and white style, so I think for every future release they will release every 4-pack figures in a single box like this. And this is simple, we cannot see the inside of the figure, so we need to open this case just in order to get every figure on our hand. Let me open this box by cutting down the tape under the boxes, and let's open this one. We pull the package, and inside this we are getting 4 rows of figures, indicating every single figures inside. So we open this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are getting the kind of instruction sheet, but actually this is not instruction because it comes with every single TVZ that we are opening. And let's open each of it. So we are getting the blaster here, and this one is the commander. I think this is the leader of this group. And let's open another one. We are getting 2 blaster and 1 figure, and the rest of it, I think, they are not, he didn't get a weapon, another weapon, so this must be same as well. Yeah, he's not getting his E-22 blaster rifle. So here they are. In terms of the painting, Hasbro did a good job in here because they are accurately painted in the area that they want to give the stripes and etc. Also, they also give a washing. What do you call this? Is technique of painting, washing technique in every part of the area. I don't see any mispaint in here in every figure. They just do weathering in for the dirty part. And for the articulation, we are getting not the really new TVC articulation, because we are still getting some big ball joint. This is a ball jointed head. The new one should be the double jointed ball. This one is still single, because this is actually take the molding part from the old TVC version, and we have ball jointed shoulder, also ball jointed knee, ball jointed elbow, and also ball jointed wrist, ball jointed torso, and not a swivel hips, and ball jointed thigh. Not the new G.I. Joe style thigh and swivel thigh. Also, we are getting the regular ball jointed knees, and also ball jointed ankle. Pretty quite good for the TVC. In terms of accessories, we are getting 6 blasters. It consists of 4 E11 blasters, 4 E11 blasters, and 2 E22 double barrel blasters. So we got total of 6 weapons in this case. And for the E11 blasters, we are getting the kind of blaster that consists of extra magazines on the side of it, and also it is kind of flashlight. This is the newest molding of this E11 blaster rifle as seen on Star Wars Rogue One. This is their original Shoretrooper E22 blaster as well. They just exist when the Shoretrooper are introduced. And to compare them with the TVC version on my hand, this one is the TVC version of Shoretrooper, the previous release, and honestly, the differences in here is just the weathering of the dirty part, because the old TVC got some more weathering all over his back and his lower part of the body, and well, the newest one didn't have quite some dirty wash all over his body. But if I put the old TVC around them, you cannot tell which one is which, the old TVC and the newest release. So basically they all are the same for the 2 figures, which is the lowest in the rank of this group. And I have the 5 POA of the leader of this group. This is actually him the POA becomes the TVC fully articulated figure. That's a nice job, Hasbro. And you can put them all together. So now you will have the Shoretrooper as your squad. Okay, that's it for my video, and you can subscribe me if you want to see the newest release of TVC in the next following month. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Doe. May the force be with you, and bye-bye.
Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.